Well, today was graduation day, and all the kindergartners said their speech on stage, got their diplomas and their medals, and they're ready to move on to first grade.
I'm so excited to share my kindergarten journey with you all today. My teacher, Miss Vinay, is the best. She taught me how to be confident and always try my best in everything I do.
I was like, how are these 6-year-olds able to do these speeches? I can't even do a 3-minute, 5-minute speech.
I kind of welled up, honestly. Each kid is so unique and their speech kind of captured that, so loved it.
When I grow up, I'd like to be a dentist, physician, because I love working with teeth, muscles, and I like learning about chemicals and their reactions.
The Montessori method takes the valuable learning and makes it fun.
It's self-learning, and the kids are teaching each other, like the older ones teach the younger ones, which is a completely different experience.
There's a curiosity that's developed in the child to learn more and understand more and get more knowledge, so I really like that.
Lots of different experiences, including gardening and painting and learning how to swim, all the things that my kids experience.
And the love of learning that they develop here, I hope we see that it continues all their life.
You plant your seed here, and the seed grows into a little tree that you take to the public school.
After MCDC, Amelia will go to a public school. I think she's fully prepared due to what she learned at MCDC.
To describe MCDC, I would say empowering.
The one that popped in my head is community.
Magical. I would say it's love.
Wonderful.
I'll say the same word.
You can see MCDC rocks.
MCDC rocks!